Welcome to the in front of me OPPO RENO 5Z, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's hold for a while the application, and after that we should drag it to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, but the same way, hold it and drag it to the folder. We can rename the folder by click on the name. To delete in one click the full name, click on the 6 icon, and after that enter the new one. For example, let's use the apps, tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed the home screen folder on our OPPO RENO device. If you want to move the folder between here on the screen, just hold it and drag it, and between the screens we can also move it, just hold and drag it, and we can create the new screens with the folders. That's also another problem. If you want to remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and after that drag it here to home screen, and that's it. If you want to just remove the application not only from the folder but also from the home screen, you should hold it and tap here to remove icon, but don't worry, you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.